There are two ways to install R packages. The one is command line and the other is package tab here. Let's see the command line option. This is the screen which you will see when you open RStudio for the first time after installation. We'll go to console window and write install.packages, and in double quote we will give the name of the package. So my package is deployed and I'll click enter. And this will install deployer package. The next package which we are going to install is readxl. For that, I will use the packages tab here and click on install. And here I am going to give the name of package readxl and click install. So you see the same command is triggered but using the GUI option. So now the readxl package is also installed. Now the next step is load the package so that we can work on it. So first we'll create a new RScript file by going to new file and click on RScript. So this will open the source window. The command to load a package is library and the name of the package. So in this is deployer and then library readxl. So I wrote the name of both package. Now I have to run this. Click on run. And again I'll click run again. Now both these packages are loaded and we can use their functions for data analysis. So here I'm going to use the readxl function of readxl package. So df will put a readxl function. In the argument I'm going to give the name of the file and click on Control Enter. So the file has been loaded. In the next video I will show you how to load different types of files in R. Thank you.